हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करेंगे होली फेथ इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन क्लास 8 इस बुक का लेसन नंबर 4 का पार्ट 4। इसके पहले हम पार्ट 3 तक कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो उन्हें जाके जरूर से देख लीजिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हो या फिर मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इसे सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कीजिएगा। वीडियो पसंद आता है तो उसे लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा या कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट करके जरूर से पूछिए। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा चैप्टर 4 का पार्ट 4। When one thing or person is to be compared with many other things or persons of the same kind, we can use any degree, positive, comparative or superlative. Study the following sentences carefully. It means कभी हमें एक चीज को या एक पर्सन को बहुत सारे चीजों से सेम काइंड के उसको कंपेयर करना होता है तो हम डिग्रीज का यूज करते हैं। तो इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव, इट कैन बी कंपैरेटिव और इट कैन बी सुपरलेटिव। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेंटेंस। नाउ दे हैव गिवन अस हियर all these 3 degrees examples and you have to study it carefully so it would be easy for you to understand the difference between all these 3 degrees. So first one is superlative. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England. The greatest, ये हमने बहुत बार पढ़ा है। जब भी द आता है तो इट मीन्स इट्स अ मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होता है। कंपैरेटिव में हमारा देन आता है। So Shakespeare was greater than any other dramatist of England. No other dramatist of England was so great as Shakespeare. तो इट्स मीन्स इट्स अ पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड डिग्री। सो इसका हमारे हमको जो 3 फॉर्म्स होते हैं डिग्री के वो पता होनी चाहिए। डेट इज ग्रेट, ग्रेटर एंड ग्रेटेस्ट। जो ग्रेट है वो पॉजिटिव में आता है, ग्रेटर कंपैरेटिव एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट इज इन सुपरलेटिव। द हिमालयस आर द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन्स इन द वर्ल्ड. The Himalayas are higher than any other mountain in the world. No other mountain in the world is so high as the Himalayas. Okay, I hope आपको ये समझ में आए। बाकी के जो एग्जाम्पल्स है वो आप रीड करके देखिए। अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आते हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए। Now keep in mind the following table while changing the degree of comparison in a sentence. अब हमें जब चेंज करते हैं तो क्या चीजों को ध्यान में रखना है वो हमें बताया है। तो सुपरलेटिव में मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुकी। बेस्ट इसमें आता है बेटर देन एनी अदर, सुपरलेटिव में अदर नहीं आता है। और पॉजिटिव में या तो नो अदर डैश जो भी सेंटेंस है सो गुड एज, नॉट द बेस्ट, नॉट बेटर देन सम अदर्स, सम एटलीस्ट एज गुड एज, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, बेटर देन मोस्ट अदर्स यानी कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट में से एक है तो बाकी के लोगों से ज्यादा बेस्ट है, बहुत लोग उसके जितने बेस्ट है। नॉट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों में से बेस्ट नहीं है। सम अदर्स बेटर देन कुछ लोग उससे ज्यादा बेटर है। नॉट सो गुड एज सम अदर्स मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं है। Exercise 9. First one, rewrite the following sentences in the positive or comparative degree without changing the sense. यानी हमको ये जो sentences है इसको positive and comparative degrees में change करने हैं but meaning should not be changed. बच्चों अगर इसका आपको PDF चाहिए तो मैं आपको मिल जाएगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक होगा, आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वन इज बॉम्बे इज द बेस्ट सीपोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. बॉम्बे इज द बेस्ट सीपोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सो नो अदर सीपोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज सो गुड एज बॉम्बे. ये हमारा पॉजिटिव डिग्री है। Bombay is better than any other seaport of India. It is a comparative degree. Now second one is riding is the best kind of exercise. So no other kind of exercise is so good as riding. Riding is better than any other kind of exercise. Third one, she is the most beautiful girl in her class. So she is more beautiful than any other girl in her class. Comparative. No other girl in her class is so beautiful as she is. It is positive. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England. Shakespeare was greater than any other dramatist of England. No other dramatist of England was so great as Shakespeare. जो भी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री का है और जो सेकेंड है वो हमारा पॉजिटिव डिग्री है. नाउ फिफ्थ वन इज forgiveness is the noblest form of revenge. Forgiveness is nobler. It's a comparative than any other form of revenge. No other form of revenge is so noble as forgiveness. Ashok is not the best player of our team. Ashok is not better than some other players of our team. Some players of our team at least as good as Ashok. Quinine is not the bitterest of all medicines. Quinine is not more bitter than some other medicines. Some medicines are at least as bitter as quinine. She is not the wisest of all girls in a class. She is not wiser than some other girls in a class. Some girls in a class at least as wise as she is. Next one. He is not the richest man of our town. He is not richer than some other men of a town. Some men of a town are at least as rich as he is. Shimla is not the best of all hill stations. Shimla is not better than some other hill stations. Some hill stations are at least as good as Shimla. Now we'll move to question number 2, that is rewrite the following sentences in the positive or comparative degree without changing the sense. अब इसमें हमें पॉजिटिव और कंपैरेटिव चेंज करना है सेम बिना मीनिंग के चेंज किए. तो फर्स्ट वन इज गोल्ड इज वन ऑफ द हेवीएस्ट ऑफ मेटल्स. Gold is heavier than most other metals. Very few metals are so heavy as gold. First one is a comparative one and second one is a positive one. So next one is Delhi is one of the biggest cities of India. Delhi is bigger than most other cities of India. Very few cities of India are so big as Delhi. Next, Misha is one of the tallest girls in her class. Misha is taller than most other girls in her class. Very few girls in her class are so tall as Misha. Next one. Mr. Kapoor is one of the best teachers in our school. So Mr. Kapoor is better than most other teachers in our school. Very few teachers in our school are so good as Mr. Kapoor. Next one. Pandit Nehru was one of the greatest leaders of India. So Pandit Nehru was greater than most other leaders of India. Very few leaders of India were so great as Pandit Nehru. Next one. John is not one of the best players of hockey. So answer is some other players of hockey are better than John. John is not so good as some other players of hockey. She is not one of the prettiest women of a town. Some other women of a town are prettier than she is. She is not so pretty as some other women of a town. She is not one of the best doctors of this hospital. Some other doctors of this hospital are better than she is. She is not so good as some other doctors of this hospital. Ninth one. Mr. Misha is not one of our best workmen. Some others of our workmen are better than Mr. Mishra. Mr. Mishra is not so good as some others of our workmen. Last one. This is not one of the best ways to solve this problem. There are some better ways to solve these problems. This way to solve the problem is not so good as some others are. Now third one. Rewrite the following sentences in comparative or superlative degree without changing the sense. अभी हमने किस में किया था? हमने पॉजिटिव एंड कंपेरेटिव में किया था. अब हमें इसमें करना है कंपेरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. सो फर्स्ट वन इज नो अदर एक्सरसाइज इज सो गुड एज स्विमिंग. सो आंसर इज स्विमिंग इज द बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज. Swimming is better than any other exercise. तो फर्स्ट वन इज सुपरलेटिव एंड सेकेंड वन इज कंपैरेटिव. ये हमारा है सुपरलेटिव एंड ये हमारा है कंपैरेटिव. ओके. द नेक्स्ट वन इज नो अदर मैन वॉज एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज भीम. So Bhim was the strongest of men, superlative. Bhim was stronger than any other man, it's a comparative. The next one is no other book on English grammar is so useful as this one. This is the most useful book on English grammar, it's a superlative. This book on English grammar is more useful than any other. This one is the comparative. No other leader of India was so popular as Pandit Nehru. So answer is Pandit Nehru was the most popular leader of India. Pandit Nehru was more popular than any other leader of India. Then the fifth one. Very few countries are so rich as Japan. So Japan is one of the richest countries. Superlative. Japan is richer than most other countries. It's a comparative. Next. Very few boys are as hardworking as Manu. Manu is one of the most hardworking than most other boys. ये हमारा है superlative. Manu is more hardworking, it's a comparative, than most other boys. Then very few girls are as beautiful as Misha. So Misha is more beautiful than most other girls. Superlative. Misha is one of the most beautiful girls. Sorry, this one is comparative and this one is superlative. यहाँ पर ये हमारा कंपेरेटिव है फर्स्ट वाला और सेकेंड वाला हमारा है सुपरलेटिव. Very few friends are so helpful as Mukesh. Mukesh is one of the most helpful friend. It is superlative. Mukesh is more helpful than most other friends. It is a comparative. Now the last exercise of this chapter, rewrite the following sentences in the positive or superlative degrees. अब यहाँ पर हमें पॉजिटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव में लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज शेक्सपियर इज ग्रेटर. ये कंपेरेटिव दिया है हमें देन एनी अदर इंग्लिश पोएट. सो शेक्सपियर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट इंग्लिश पोएट. इट्स a superlative. No other poet is as great as Shakespeare. This one is positive. ये हमारा है superlative. And this one is positive. Lead is heavier than any other metal. No, lead is the heaviest of metals. Lead is the heaviest of metals. Superlative. No other metal is as heavy as lead. It's a positive. Radha is more beautiful than any other girl in a class. So Radha is the most beautiful girl in the class. It's a superlative. No other girl in a class is as beautiful as Radha. It is positive. Then fourth one is the elephant is bigger than any other animal on land. The elephant is the biggest animal on land. It is superlative. No other animal on land is as big as the elephant. It is positive. Iron is more useful than most other metals. So iron is one of the most useful metals. Superlative. Very few metals are as useful as iron. It is positive. Mahesh is cleverer than most other boys of our class. Mahesh is one of the cleverest boy of our class. ये हमारा है superlative. Very few boys of our class are as clever as Mahesh. It is a positive. English is more difficult than most other European languages. English is one of the most difficult European languages. ये है हमारा superlative. Very few European languages are as difficult as English. It is positive. Then the last sentence. Delhi is bigger than most other cities of India. Delhi is one of the biggest cities of India. It's a superlative. And very few cities of India are as big as Delhi. It is positive. तो बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 4 जिसके टोटल 4 पार्ट से फिनिश किया. अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 5 के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.